giving awards in this section. These all questions are from pointers of Ghatna Chakra, so these are basically PYQs, previous year questions. So Kalidas Samman is given for contribution in the field of art. Santi Swaroop Bhatnagar Award is given for the contribution to science and technology. The first Indian to receive Magsaysay Award was Vinoba Bhave. Dronacharya award is given in the recognition of best coaching in sports. Out of the givens award, namely Jamnalal Bajaj Award, Arjun Award, Tagore Award, and Murthy Devi Award. Which award is given for excellence in sports? Answer is Arjun Award. The amount that goes with Arjun Award is 15 lakh rupees. Out of the given options, namely C.V. Raman, H.J. Bhava, R.N. Tagore, and Mother Teresa, who is not awarded the Nobel Prize? Answer is H.J. Bhava. Homi Jahangir Baba. Why will they give Nobel Prize to him? He's our scientist. The correctly matched list is Bhatnagar Award, Science, B.C. Rai Award, Medicine, Dada Saheb Phalke Award, Film, Gandharva Award, Classical Art. In the given options, namely Archbishop Desmond Tutu, Lech Walesa, Simon Peres, and Yasser Arafat, who won Nobel Prize? Answer is Archbishop Desmond Tutu, Lech Walesa, Simon Peres, and Yasser Arafat. So all of them. The agricultural scientist who awarded with Nobel Prize for Peace is Norman Borlaug. Stree Shakti Puraskar is given to women for their courage and enterprise for betterment of women and their contribution to nation and the people. She is the first Indian actress to receive Padma Shri Award. Answer is Nargis Dutt. Out of the given options, namely Ustad Bismillah Khan, Satyajit Ray, Lata Mangeshkar, Raj Kapoor, who is not the recipient of Bharat Ratna? Answer is Raj Kapoor. So basically all of them are rest of them are Bharat Ratna. That is Ustad Bismillah, Satyajit Ray, and Lata Mangeshkar. Now moving on, out of the given options, namely Lata Mangeshkar, Pandit Jashraj, Pandit Ravi Shankar, Ustad Bismillah Khan, who is not awarded with Bharat Ratna? Answer is Pandit Jashraj. So except for Pandit Jashraj, Pandit Ravi Shankar, Lata Mangeshkar, and Ustad Bismillah have been awarded with Bharat Ratna. Now the first lady to receive Gyan Peeth Award is Asha Purna Devi. Moving on, a Pakistani national who was awarded the Bharat Ratna by Indian government is Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Out of the given options, namely Nelson Mandela, Mikhail Gorbachev, and Abdul Ghaffar and Yasser Arafat, who was awarded Bharat Ratna in 1990. Answer is Nelson Mandela. Pandit Ravi Shankar was awarded Bharat Ratna in the year 1999. Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian award of India, which was given in the year to the person. The year is 1954 and the person is Radhakrishnan. Out of the given options, namely Govind Ballabh Pant, S. Radhakrishnan, Rajendra Prasad, and Jawaharlal Nehru, who was the first to receive Bharat Ratna award? Answer is S. Radhakrishnan. Out of the given options, namely APJ Abdul Kalam, Lata Mangeshkar, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, and Satyajit Ray, who is recipient of Bharat Ratna? Answer is all of them. Out of the given options, namely J.R.D. Tata, Acharya Narendra Dev, Satyajit Ray, and C. Subramaniam, who has not been awarded Bharat Ratna yet? Answer is J.R.D. Tata. The first recipient of Women of Vyas Samman was Chitra Mudgal. The field in which Swarn Kamal Award is given is cinema. He who is the first of Indian origin to win the Booker's Prize is V.S. Naipaul. Nobel Prize are given by Swedish Academy. The Chandradhar Fellowship is given in the field of classical music. Maharana Pratap Award is given for the excellence in the field of sports. Satyajit Ray was honored with a special Oscar award in 1992 for his outstanding contribution in films. Out of the given names, Mahesh Bhatt, Meena Nair, Satyajit Ray, O.P. Sippi Saab, who was honored by a special Oscar award? Answer is Satyajit Ray. Out of the given options, namely Bhagwat Rawat, Firaq Gorakhpuri, Makhan Lal Chaturvedi, and Syan Rajan, who is Bharatiya Gyan Peeth Award winner? Answer is Firaq Gorakhpuri. Out of the given journalists, namely Khushwant Singh, Arun Shourie, Dharamveer Bharti, and Kamaleshwar, who is recipient of Magsaysay Award? Answer is Arun Shourie. That'll be all for this section. We'll be covering books in the next section. Actually, we will cover art and culture in this section only. So, moving on with the art and culture section. Now, the correctly matched pair are Madhubani, a traditional painting from Bihar, Singhi kebabs from Ladakh, kebabs, Sindhu Darshana Festival, Ghatka, a martial art from Punjab. Madhubani painting is related to the state of Bihar. The well-known painting Bani Thani belongs to the Kishangarh school. In the context of cultural history of India, a pose in dance and dramatics called Tribhanga has been a favorite of Indian artists from ancient times till today. The statement which best describes this pose is one leg is bent, the body is slightly but oppositely curved at waist and at neck. So it is like this pattern, a zigzag pattern. Moving on, assertion is both the statements are true and the assertion is the reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. So the assertion goes like, for education and art, a center for cultural resource and training was set up in 1979. The objective of CCRT was to link education with culture. Out of the given options, namely Nasik, Haridwar, Prayag, Varanasi, where Kumbh Mela is not held, answer is Varanasi. So we have Kumbh at Nasik, Haridwar, Prayag. Purna Kumbh takes place at every 12th year. Kumbh Mela is held every 12th year in Prayagraj, Haridwar, Ujjain and Nasik. Now Pitradura is related to decorating the walls with floral designs made of semi-precious stones. Chalil Sahib festival is 40-day. Chalia Sahib festival is a 40-day long festival celebrated by Sindhi community annually in the months of July and August. Now the famous Ganga Sagar Mela is held in this state and the state is West Bengal. Onam is a festival of Kerala. Bihu is the folk dance of Assam. Pongal is a festival of Tamil Nadu. South Indian festival of Onam is associated with Mahabali. Atappu is associated with Onam. Tamasha is the famous folk form of musical theatre in Maharashtra. Amarnath, Kedarnath and Vishwanath are related to Lord Shiva. 4 mutts established by Adi Shankaracharya are Joshi Mutt, Dwarka, Puri and Sringeri. In India, many pilgrims travel from Sri Sailam, that is one of the 12 Jyotirlingas. It is located in Andhra Pradesh near Kurnool. Buddhist site of Tabo Monastery is located in the state of Himachal Pradesh. Lusung is a festival which is celebrated in Sikkim. Wangla festival is celebrated in the state of Meghalaya. Chapchar Koot is a festival celebrated in the state of Mizoram. Ijitma festival Mela is celebrated in Bhopal. Vichitra Virya was the grandfather of Arjun. Vichitra Virya, yes, true, grandfather of Arjun. Now Kaaba is a cuboidal shaped building located in Mecca of Saudi Arabia. Kathak is in its present form has influence of Mughal traditions. Maluti, which is a heritage village in Dumka, district of Jharkhand, is known as village of temples. Where Dash was born, the urns sank 2.5 hands. The statement folk saying is related to Allah of Mohuba. Now the folk songs and the occasion of singing. Chaiti is seasonal geet. Kajari is Vivah and seasonal geet. Rasiya is Braj Lok Geet. Sohar is Sanskar Geet. Now moving on, Tamaria tribes are found in Jharkhand. Band Patthar is popular folk theatre of Jammu and Kashmir Union Territory. Both Hindu and Muslims come in the historical Mela fair of Nauchandi Mela held in Uttar Pradesh. Now historical melas of Uttar Pradesh and the places they are associated with: Jal Vihar Mela, Bundelkhand; Bhateshwar Mela, Western region; Sukratal Mela, Muzaffarnagar. The Jewish people of worship is known as synagogue. The first Sanskrit university chair was established in France in 1814. The earliest reference of magnetic compass is found in Jwavamul Hikayat. Now the temples and the states associated are Vidya Shankar Temple in Karnataka, Raja Rani Temple in Odisha, Kandhariya Mahadev Temple in Madhya Pradesh, Bimbi Bimbeshwar temple in Andhra Pradesh. The mighty gateways found at the temples of South India are called Gopuram. The temple, which is also known as Khajuraho of Vidarbha, is Markandeshwar temple. Now, Alchi temple complex is located in Ladakh. Chitragupt Swami temple is considered to be the only temple of Chitragupt. It is situated in Kanchi. Tribhuvan Narayan temple of Chittor is built by Parmar Raja Bhoj. Name the place where Thyagaraja festival is regularly celebrated in honor of composer Sri Thyagaraja. Answer is Thanjavur. Sufi Kalam, a type of devotional music, is characteristic of Kashmir. According to Mimamsa system of philosophy, liberation is possible by means of karma. Jagar is a form of god worship ritual prevalent in Uttarakhand. Bodo, Dogri, Maithili, Santali all were added to 8th schedule of the constitution in the year 2004 after the 92nd Amendment Act of 2003. The festival of Rath Yatra is held in Jagannath Puri of Odisha and many other places, but essentially and the most prominent one is in Odisha, Puri. The correctly matched pairs are Madhumita Raut, Odissi dancer; Indravati Chakravarti, nutritional scientist; Meera Bhatia, a jurist; Sadhvi Sadhana, a Jain saint. Now the persons, and they are known for Bhajan Sopri, exponent of Santur; Briju Maharaj, Kathak dancer; Priyadarshini Govind, Bharatnatyam dancer; TV Gopalakrishnan, Mridangam maestro; Alka Rakha, the famous instrumentalist, is related with tabla. The correctly matched players are Depu Chaudhary for sitar, Azad Ali Khan for sardood, Pannalal Ghosh for flute, Yahudi Menuli for violin. Vikram Arjun Vijaya, composed by Pampa, is Kannada version of Maharashtra. The first writer to use Urdu as a medium of poetic expression was Amir Khusro. Radha Govind Sangeet Sar, the renowned classical music composition, is creation of Savai Pratap Singh. With reference to Drupada, one of the major tradition in India that has been kept alive for centuries, correct statement is Drupad is primarily a devotional and spiritual music. Drupad Alap uses Sanskrit syllables from mantras. The brothers Umakant and Ramakant Gundecha are Drupad vocalists. The author of Raga Kalapadrum is Krishnavad Vyas. Krishnanand Vyas, sorry. The raga which is sung early in the morning is Todi. The statement regarding Chikrakutu form of dance is it is performed by Chakeriya caste. Maizavu is an accompanying instrument. It is a theatre form. It is called Kuthabalam. With reference to Manipuri Sanskirtan, consider the following statements. These are the correct statements. It is a song and dance performance. It is performed to narrate the life and deeds of Lord Krishna. The correctly matched players are Jajmani, North India; Bara Balute, Maharashtra; Mirasi, Tamil Nadu; Adade, Karnataka. Now, Pandit Bhimsen Joshi is related to music. The famous classical singer Bhimsen Joshi is related to Kirana Gharana. Now, Kalmandalam Keshwamittavatti is Moini Attam. These are the dances and these is the dance. Kota Kakal Shivraman is related to Kathakali. Lakshmi Vishwanathan is related to Bharatnatyam. N. Madhabi Devi is related to Manipuri. Now the correctly matched list is Bharatnatyam belongs to Tamil Nadu region, Kathak belongs to the Uttar Pradesh region, Kuchipudi from Andhra Pradesh, Moini Attam from Kerala. Now the correctly matched list, that is embroidery art and the state. Pulkari is from Punjab, Dharanya is from Gujarat, Kasuti is from Karnataka, Karchobi is from Rajasthan, Odissi dance belongs to Odisha. With reference to the famous Satriya dance, the true statement is Satriya is a combination of music, dance and drama. It is a century-old living tradition of Vaishnavites of Assam. The true statement about temple architecture are The freestanding, that is mortar and stone temples, are supposed to have originated in Gupta period. Ladkhand, which is one of the earliest temples, belonged to Chalukya of Badami. Khajuraho temple, all the compartments of the temple are connected internally and externally. In the given dances, namely Bharatnatyam, Kuchipudi, Mohiniyattam, Odissi dance, which involves solo performance, answer is Mohiniyattam. Garba is a form of dance originated in the state of Gujarat. The difference between Kuchipudi and Bharatnatyam is dancers occasionally speaking dialogues is found in Kuchipudi dance but not in Bharatnatyam. So Kuchipudi dances occasionally speak dialogues. Hiren Bhattacharya is related to puppetry. Malini Rajukra is Hindustani vocal music. Pratibha Palad is related to Bharatnatyam dance. Vampati Chinna Satyam is related to Kuchipudi dance. In the given dance styles named Kathakali, Kuchipudi, Bharatnatyam, Manipuri, which originated from eastern India? Answer is Manipuri. Now Girija Devi, famous singer of Thumri, belongs to Banaras Gharana. In the given musical instruments, namely sitar, tabla, shirangi, shehnai, which is not of Indo-Islamic origin, answer is sarangi. Gangubai Hangal was classical singer. Tera Thali is folk dance of Rajasthan. The correctly matched states with the popular dance styles is Andhra Pradesh related to dance style of Bura, Assam is related with Bihu, Himachal Pradesh is related to Nati, and Rajasthan is related to Gumar. The correctly matched list of state and the dances are Assam is related Ojapali, Himachal Pradesh we have Ludi, West Bengal we have Jatra, in Bihar we have Jata Jatni. Now Karagam, a religious folk dance, is associated with Tamil Nadu. The correctly matched list is Shehnai is related to Bismillah Khan. Sarud is related to Amjad Ali Khan. Painter is Makbul Fida Hussain. Tabla is Allah Rakha Khan and sitar is Ravi Shankar. The correctly matched players are Vilayat Khan sitar, Allah Rakha tabla, Hari Prasad Chaurasia flute, Amjad Ali Khan Saroj. Shri V.G. Jog is famous for instrumental music, that is violin. Now the correctly matched list is Shiv Kumar Sharma Santur, Hari Prasad Chaurasia flute, Azad Ali Khan Rudra Veena, Pramod Gaikawad Sundari. The correctly matched list is Khayal Suraj Khan, Pakhavaj Pandit Ayodhya Prasad, Veena Vadan Sadiq Ali Khan, Tabla Viru Mishra. Aukam Todi is a musical instrument of type wind instrument. The correctly matched list is Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma Santur player, Pandit Mallikarjun Mansoor Hindustani music, V.G. Jog violin player, Ali Akbar Khan Sarud player. Now the correctly matched player list is Ravi Shankar associated with sitar, Hari Prasad Chaurasia related with flute, Omkar Nath Thakur related with O.N. Thakur related with violin, Bismillah Khan related, Ustad Bismillah Khan related with Shehnai. Birju Maharaj is excellent of Kathak dancer. Now paper came to be used in India around mid 7th century with reference to India's culture and tradition. Kalari Pattu is an ancient martial art and living tradition in some parts of South India. Kalari Pattu. The true statement about Shreni system of ancient India are Shreni was an organization of traders and artisans. Quality and the price of goods of the produced goods were determined by the concerned Shrenis. Shrenis used to control the conduct of its members. Now, the folk culture signifies cultural practices of common people. Kalamkari painting refers to the hand-painted cotton textile in South India. The true statement related to folk paintings of India are themes of Patchitra painting are inspired from Jagannath and Vaishnava cult. Manjusha painting are executed on boxes of jute and paper. Pithora paintings are made by some tribal communities of Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. With reference to the cultural history of India, true statements are Tyagraj created several new ragas. Annamacharya Kirtans are devotional songs in praise of Lord Venkateshwar. The correctly matched list is Rukmani Devi, Bharatnatyam dance, Kumar Gandharva, classical singing, Birju Maharaj, Kathak dance, Rakesh Sharma, astronaut. Folk songs have paramount importance for preserving traditions. In giving options, namely Kathak, Kuchipudi, Odissi, Garba, dance which is not classical is Garba. So Garba is not classical. The correctly matched list is Bala Murali Krishna, Carnatic vocal, Mita Pandit, Hindustani vocal, Kanyakumari, violin, Nikhil Banerjee, sitar. Now the correctly matched players are Kavalam Narayan Panikar, theatre, Sharmila Tagore, cinema, Bal Murali Krishna, Carnatic vocal, Sonal Mansingh, Bharatnatyam dance. Again, correctly matched list: Pandit Durgalal, dance; Jalgudi Jairam, instrumental music; Bal Murali Krishna, vocal music; Amrita Shergill, painting. The correctly matched list is Mandakini Amte, social service and community leadership; Neelam Mansingh, theatre direction; Romila Thapar, history writing; Vanchiri Rao, dance. The correctly matched names of persons with his or her respective work is Amrita Shergill, painter; Bhimsen Joshi, singer; Rukmini Devi Arundale, dancer; Suryakant Tripathi Nirala, poet. The academy which is responsible for fostering the development of dance, drama and music in India is Sangeet Academy. Out of the given options, Debu Chaudhary, Mandup Mudgal, Sonu Majumdar, Shafat Ahmed, who is a flute player. Answer is Ronu Majumdar. The correctly matched players are Taslima Nusrain, Lajja; Salman Rushdie, satanic verses; M.F. Hussain, painter; Rukmini Arundale, dance. The music instrument sitar is a combination of veena and tambura. The folk dance of Meghalaya is Lohu. Indian architecture, Surki, was introduced by Kushanas. After the given options, namely religion, politics, law, tradition, which is not the factor of cultural lack, answer is politics. The dance that is performed only by males is Kathakali. The mass dance is associated with dance style of Kathakali. The correctly matched players are Pandit Vishnu introduced the scheme of raga classification of Indian music. Venkatamai wrote the music for song Vande Matram. Shyam Sastri, proponent of Carnatic music. Raga and Garba are traditional folk dance form of Gujarat, India. Ras and Garba. India's first tricolor film was Jhansi Ki Rani. India's first 3D film was My Dear Kutti Chalthan. India's first in-short film was Tal. The lead character in film The Bandit Queen has been played by Seema Biswas. The writer and producer of famous TV serial Ramayan was Ramanand Sagar. The film The Making of Mahatma has been directed by Shyam Benegal. He who played the role of Gandhi in the movie Gandhi is Ben Kingsley. Richard Attenborough is the producer and director. The first feature film talkie to be produced in India was Alam Ara. The famous Indian actress Devika Rani is married to painter Shwetlov Rorich. He who was the producer of serial Mahabharat is B.R. Chopra. Vidushaka, a common character in Sanskrit drama, is invariably a Brahmana. Shankaram Pillai was a cartoonist. Raghurai is well known for photography. Bhanu Bharti is known for theatre director. Mike Pandey is known for wildlife filmmaking. Mohammad Zahur Khayyam is a music composer. Vinda Karandikar is poet and literature. The painting of Rabindranath Tagore has been classified as revivalist. Vishnu Chilanchal was Chitrakar. Indian Society of Orientalist Art was founded by Rabindranath Tagore. Mona Lisa is famous painting of Leonardo da Vinci. Raja Ravi Verma, a famous painter of modern age, was born in the year 1848. Meera Piya Ghar Aaye has been sung by Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan. Jashmini Roy was a painter. The book Vinu Shilpa by Chitracharya Upendra Marathi relates to the form of art, bamboo art. Britney Spears is famous for singing. The one who is considered as Tagore of Punjabi language is Puran Singh. The famous painting Satyam Shivam Sundaram was prepared by Shivnandan Nautilya. The correctly matched list is Hindi literature Ras Khan, Urdu Gyan Chandan Jain, music and dance Savita Devi, and painting Satish Chandra. Now Santosh Yadav is distinguished mountaineer. Oprah Winfrey is a TV host. Oscar Wilde is a dramatist and author. P. Sainath is a journalist. Now the first Indian lady to climb Everest top is Bachendra Pal, first Indian lady. The correctly matched list is Saraswati Mahal Library, Tanjavur, Library of Tibetan Work and Archives, Dharmshala, Raza Library, Rampur, Khuda Baksh Oriental Public Library, Patna. Now correctly matched list is Lalit Kala Academy 1954, Sangeet Natak Academy 1952, National School of Drama, Center for Cultural Resource and Training 1979, a traditional list of dresses of women along with states Boku from Sikkim, Mekhala from Assam, Mundu from Kerala, Peran from Kashmir. Now Shanti Niketan is located in the Birbhum district of West Bengal. The correctly matched list is Gateway of India is in Mumbai, Victoria Memorial, Kolkata, Indian Gate, New Delhi, Charminar, Hyderabad. Now the correctly matched list is Sriharikota from Andhra Pradesh, Sanchi Stupa from Raisen, Gujjari Mahal from Gwalior, Tajul Masjid from Bhopal. Koli was an ancient name of Aligarh, Koil. Mahotsav Nagar was an ancient name of Mahoba. That'll be all for this video. Thank you.